What's up guys, so I got this Ozito air compressor, 24 litre, 1.5 horsepower from Bunnings for $147 I think, and I just thought I'd show you how I've set it up. Yeah, it didn't come with any attachments, so I had to buy this kit. Come with a hose, 5 metre hose, come with the air gun kind of thing, and just a bit of, came with the air gun, hose, and just attachments and stuff. And so what I figured was these attachments would probably be enough to set it up. And so yeah, just going to show you how to do that. So I think this one here, no, not that one, this one here is the right size to connect to the air compressor. Is it this one? Yeah, seems to be the right size. So we just screw that onto this hose. The correct way to do it, I believe, is to add some like plumber's tape, I think, to the thread seal tape. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get some thread seal tape and put that on the threads, just because it does leak a bit, and I think that's what they recommend, so I'm going to do that. So this part here, this size here connects to the air compressor, so I'm going to connect that to one end. Get it nice and snug, and the other end we have to figure out. This here has a thread, so I thread this one in to the right size, and then see what one connects, and then one of these I think are the same size. Connects to that, so just have to pull this part back here, press it on, and make sure it's on there nice and tight. And then this here just threads on to this. It's on there good. And then yeah, we just plug that end into the this other end into the air compressor. Same kind of thing, we just have to pull this back and then press it in, and yeah, and then if we want to put a different nozzle on the end, we just screw this one here in. Where is it? And that has a thread, so we can put this on the end. Now I'll just plug it in and give it a test. Definitely going to come in handy. So many uses to these things. And then to turn it on, it's pretty simple. You just pull this up here, just read it's on camera. just here.